What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to install something that might make your riding experience a little bit safer.
Connected.
Despite what we hear all the time, riding a motorcycle is not inherently dangerous. But riding with distracted drivers, that is. What I hear all too often from motorists is, I didn't see you. I didn't know you were there. So anything that we can do to remind them of our presence is a good move in my opinion. Today we're going to replace the stock horn in my Triumph Street Triple with the Denali Soundbomb Mini. I picked this up from the Gear Geeks over at Revzilla for just about $30. So why did I pick this particular horn? Well, the stock horn on this bike sounds more like it should be on a Vespa scooter than on a motorcycle. Most people won't even notice that. Now, the Soundbomb Mini is rated at 113 decibels compared to a stock horn, which is typically rated about 100 decibels. That might not sound like much, but remember that decibel rating is more than just numbers. The difference between 113 decibels and 100 decibels is about twice the volume. For all intents and purposes, this horn should be about twice as loud as the stock horn. But we'll see. I will use this sound decibel meter app on my phone from 3 feet away, because that's how the Soundbomb Mini is rated. So let's get started, shall we? My Street Triple, being a naked bike, has more real estate for a horn than you might find on a fully fared sport bike. The stock horn is actually on the rider's left side near the radiator, mounted on a bracket. Removal requires the use of an 11mm combination wrench. When we put the Soundbomb Mini next to the original horn, you can see the overall footprint is not that different. Instead of a pancake style horn, you have a bit more of a trumpet style. The Soundbomb Mini comes with its own bracket, but on my bike, I think I'll be fine just reusing the stock horn bracket. We will bend the electrical connectors down just a bit on the Soundbomb so it connects better with the stock harnesses. We will use the supplied retaining nut on the stock bracket, tighten it down, and that is that. So let's do some sound comparisons between the Denali Soundbomb Mini and the stock horn. I have to say, I'm pretty pleased with the sound of the Denali Soundbomb Mini, plus it was super easy to install. Sure, there are air horns on the market that are louder than this and will literally scare the crap out of anybody who gets in your way, but I don't know if that change in volume is going to be worth the change in difficulty for the installation. I mean, this bolted right up, plugged right in, no relays, no additional wiring, no additional bracketry, no trying to hide air lines or anything like that, or compressors. And for about 30 bucks, it's not much more than a replacement horn for your motorcycle anyway. I think for the price and the ease of installation, I think it's a good choice for anybody trying to get more noticed in traffic or by motorists out there on the roads. One thing I'm not crazy about, the backside of the horn itself is silver, and that kind of doesn't go with most motorcycles that have a completely black horn. The front and the sides of the trumpet itself is black plastic, but the backside that is silver metal, I wish that was actually powder coated black. I mean, it's not a huge deal, but to be honest with you, I'm going to take it off and I'm going to either plaster dip it or spray paint it, just so it's a little less conspicuous. So if you have any questions about the Denali Soundbomb Mini, please put them in the comment section down below. I'll do my very best to answer them. And until next time, ride safe, and I'll see you.